Hi guys, this infographic right here is created by AI. I used Nano Banana Pro to create this well-structured infographics. Today, I would like to share how exactly I've created this one. And I hope this would help a lot of creators, business person, or educator. It's very simple. Check it out. The first thing I did is I created the image prompt using ChatGPT to explain and structure the business model of the idea which I wanted to create. So first, I've created this fintech company business model infographics. So I just simply asked ChatGPT, please create an image prompt explaining the business model of the fintech company. And here's the output. So what I've done is I basically copy, hold this prompt right here, and then paste it on Nano Banana Pro. So this is actually exactly the one I created before the video, but let me create it again. So right here, I've just pasted the prompt, which was generated by the ChatGPT, and in seconds, it's gonna create the infographic. Right here. It's pretty cool. When I was running startup, I remember I was paying some fees to create even this one infographic. But now it's totally different. If you are an educator, you no longer have to rely on the designer. Most of the general infographic you can create by yourself in seconds, exactly how I shared with you right now. I believe time is the most important life currency, which means if I can generate more time using AI, that could potentially evolve my life in a good way. So I hope this video could help some business person out there who have never used Nano Banana Pro. Instead of pasting the detailed prompt, let's just go with a bit big way, right? So let me type in, please create an infographic. Explain about the Pokemon. Now, compared to the previous one, this prompt is more vague. I did not really provide a guidance to generate the concept and structure of the infographic, but let's see how it will generate. Wow. Alright guys, here's the infographic. Wow, this is awesome. This is pretty awesome. I mean, this is like ready to use in presentation. I'm very confident to share to anyone out there in the market. Imagine if you were going to create this from scratch, right? Even if you're a designer or even if you're an experienced designer, it takes time, right? Wow, this is awesome. One more thing. Based on this, the first output, you can also kind of change direction or fix the infographic which you've created. For instance, if you ask AI, please remove the fourth section. I'm sure there's a lot of cases you want to kind of fix a little bit on your output or add some new elements to it. you can definitely do that in a very simple way, which is to just prompt, like using ChatGPT or Gemini. You're not even, using the designing tool, right? You're not using Canva right here. Yep, simply remove the section 4, but I should have maybe asked to rebalance the whole pictures, where to place each sections. But again, it's pretty cool. I have stopped using Canva for creating the infographics, given that the AI can already deliver this quality of infographics. This is actually way better than which I've created in Canva by myself. I have to admit that. But yeah, if you are educator, creator, business person, if you have never used Nano Banana Pro, please check it out. It's gonna save you a lot of time. It's gonna help your students. It's gonna help your audiences, right? And most importantly, it's gonna create you more freedom. Thanks for watching, guys. Today videos was a pretty simple demonstration. I hope this would help somebody out there in the space. Thank you very much. See you guys soon.